Hello, it's Leon, and in today's video, I'm going to go over how to actually do outreach the right way and then sign millionaires doing so. So, in this video, I'm not going to show you a template, I'm not going to teach you the principles, I'm not going to give you the generic advice that everyone gives you, but it really doesn't work. What I'm gonna do though is show you how I actually signed these two guys, which are two very wealthy people, and the majority of you may know who Ty Lopez is, but maybe not who Adam Earhart is. But that really doesn't matter. It's just for them to build credibility and make you trust me, So, because I need you to trust me in order for you to actually take this seriously. So, why people use outreach templates don't make money? Well, they actually use it. A template isn't meant to be used. And if you're the type of guy who actually sees a cold email template and then just copy and paste it, you need to ask yourself, is this really going to work? Or am I just wasting my time? Because if you think about it, the majority of people are very lazy. They don't want to come up with their own stuff. They lack the ability to think for themselves. So when you send a template where the only thing you change is the offer and what you can do and the social proof, if you have any, you're basically competing against millions of other competitors. And a template is not meant to be copy and pasted and then just sent out. In fact, this guy, Adam Earhart, told me that he got over 10K emails per day asking to work with him. But he chose mine because it stood out. I didn't use any template, and if you saw the email I sent him, you'd be surprised it even worked because it goes against all the laws and the rules for email outreach. But it worked for me, and it's beginning to work and work again because I'm getting a lot of calls booked. I'm getting a lot of positive replies. So, what should you do instead? Well, to be honest, you need to be you, and you need to understand why it works. A template is, as I said, not meant to be copy and paste. It's meant to be read and understood. Understand why each line is there and understand the purpose of each line. If you can do that, not with just email outreach, but like with email copy or sales pages, you'll be so far ahead of the normal and average person. And then the only thing you need to do is add your twist and you got a banger. But to actually get replies and get people interested into your services, you need to have a good offer. So here I have two very, I guess they're kind of bad examples, but they make my point clear. Your offer cannot be, I'll do email marketing for you, because that's very vague and it's not personalized at all. And it really doesn't speak about the end result and what the client can expect to get out of it. So there's no curiosity, just a service. Everyone can do email marketing, but whereas this software, which is much better, is I'll increase your revenue by 20% in 90 days with my copy sensor email marketing system. Now, if you think about it, you'll obviously see that this is the better offer. And then you need to ask yourself, why is it? And why does this work better than this? Well, the thing is, you packaged it into a system and related to an angle. All you need now is the social proof. So, in simple terms, your outreach should be this. It should talk about your results. And then it should show evidence that you can actually do it or that you've actually done it for someone else. And then you just ask them to book a call or ask them if there's interest. And if it is, they'll reply. And what I do and what my agency does when someone replies interested, we just don't send over a text with proposal or what we can actually do or what we've done. If someone replies interested to us, the thing we do to ensure that the chance of them booking a call with us is really, really high is that we respond with a Loom video. So when they reply, yes, please, can you let me know? Can you give me a proposal? We don't send them a templated offer. What we do is we go to their website, we look over it, we tell them what's missing, we tell them how we can improve or help them improve and boost conversions today. And then we go over our email system and actually show it in depth, and then tell them, and then give them 2 dates. So for example, does Friday at 3 p.m. Central Time work the best, or is it Saturday at 4 p.m.? Just give them 2 dates, and then they will reply. My mentee actually did this, and he got a booked call actually today, this Friday. So it's a very powerful trick to use. And if you have your offer in place, and if you can provide the results and show the evidence that you can do it, then you'll book a lot of more calls. There's the one thing that I haven't written down here, and that's follow-ups. In the follow-ups, you don't want to be needy. You don't want to, and what you also don't want to be seen as is like you're trying too hard, or like you're spammy. Because if you're spammy, they're not going to reply to you. But what you would need to do in the follow-ups is basically just give them some sales assets. And what a sales asset is, it's very simple. It's a case study, or for example, what I showed my mentee is that you can write, let's say, 3 email broadcasts. If you do email marketing, you can write 3 email broadcasts and tell them that you can play around with these. They're pretty much templated and just for you to fill in, and they will get you results. So what they will do is they will click on it, they will see the emails, they will like your copy, they will try it out, and if it generates them sales, they'll pretty much hit you up again because they will want to get more of these, and then they'll sign you. But that's it. That's very simple for follow-ups. But if you follow this for your outreach and you have a solid offer, as I mentioned, there's no way you're not going to be signing clients. And I'm going to be making a lot more videos about this, about outreach, about email marketing, about funnel building, copywriting, and everything like that. So if that's something you're interested in, like there's not going to be any fancy edits. There's not going to be something to please your dopamine brain. It's just going to be raw value like this, where you'll actually learn something. So if that's the kind of videos you want to see, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.